नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है करम योगी दिवाकर बोथरा और मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं अपनी सीरीज सोशियोलॉजी इन 10 मिनट्स। आज का एपिसोड नंबर है 43, चैप्टर है स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन, टॉपिक है पॉवर्टी, पेपर 1 चैप्टर 5। पॉवर्टी का टॉपिक 3 पार्ट में सिलेबस में मेंशन्ड है, एक आपके स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन में, एक आपके रूरल डेवलपमेंट वाले पार्ट पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन प्रोग्राम और एक लास्ट चैप्टर चैलेंजेस टू इंडियन सोसाइटी जहां पे डेप्रिवेशन और पॉवर्टी आती है। अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ हम डिस्कस करेंगे एज फार एज द थियोरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ पॉवर्टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्ट्रैटिफिकेशनल चैप्टर्स। पॉवर्टी का मीनिंग अगर सिंपल फॉर्म में देखें तो पॉवर्टी लार्जली रेफर्स टू डेप्रिवेशन। अब इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर पॉवर्टी इज लार्जली अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम अ मोर इकोनॉमिक और नैरो पर्सपेक्टिव्स। धानागिरी क्लियरली एडवोकेटेड दैट द गवर्नमेंट्स ऑफ Indian government's understanding of poverty is very narrow as they only develop economic understanding. In reality, the poverty is much more broader terms where it refers to deprivations existing. This deprivation के अंदर आपको याद है, अगर आपने लेक्चर देखा है डेप्रीवेशन का, एक एब्सोल्यूट डेप्रीवेशन होती है और एक रिलेटिव डेप्रीवेशन होती है। ये एब्सोल्यूट डेप्रीवेशन जो होती है वो पॉवर्टी लेके आती है। और अगर इकोनॉमिक टर्म्स में मैं सिंपल तरीके से समझाऊं तो पॉवर्टी रेफर्स टू लैक ऑफ एक्सेस टू बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज और रिसोर्सेज। इकोनॉमिकली पॉवर्टी इज डिफाइंड एज लैक ऑफ एक्सेस टू मिनिमम बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज टू लीड ए सस्टेनेबल, that is physical and psychologically fulfilling life. But sociology में deprivation is something which is largely equated to poverty, but that deprivation being absolute in nature. Economics के अंदर poverty is equated to lack of basic amenities. बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज नहीं होना। बट सोशियोलॉजी के अंदर अगर आप देखो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक कास्ट सेंसस, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक कास्ट सेंसस मल्टीपल फॉर्म्स ऑफ डेप्रिवेशन देखता है, जहां पे हाउसिंग भी है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी है, एलपीजी भी है, साइकिल या मोटर बाइक्स एक्सेट्रा। देयर आर 29 indicators roughly divided into 7 or 8 criterias under which we have largely understood the poverty from socio-economic caste census perspectives. The same thing is also adopted by Multi-Poverty Index (MPI), which evaluates poverty from a much more broader perspectives. Therefore, the narrow understanding of economics of poverty in economics today is not tenable. It cannot largely help us in understanding the seriousness of the problems. Rather than sociology is important in order to understand poverty from a more broader perspectives, so that we not only understand the causes more pragmatically, but we are also able to provide the viable solutions in order to tackle the problems of poverty. अगर हम theories और thinker sociology में देखें, all these things may not be discussed by me in detail, but I'll give you a synoptic understanding of it. Oscar Lewis gave the theory of Oscar Lewis gave the theory of culture of poverty. Culture of poverty के अंदर Oscar Lewis largely studied Tepoztlán village in Mexico and largely gave or formulated his theory of poverty. He advocated that the problems faced by the poor in all the societies are similar, and this largely similarity of problem they develop as similar orientations, similar lifestyles, or in Bourdieu's term, similar habitus in order to largely face those problems. He advocates that the conditions in which these people live largely forces them to develop a different culture of poverty, which is characterized by hopelessness, alienation, fatalism, marital breakdowns, juvenile crimes, and fatalistic attitudes towards their own life, where their focus completely is on immediate gratifications rather than postponing their gratifications. According to Lewis, this culture of poverty which has developed largely would hamper the poverty elevation programs, as even if you provide them better facilities, they would not largely use those better facilities. They would largely be demotivated because of their culture or because of that way of life. They would still not go to the schools if you open up a schools maybe in a ghetto or maybe in a slums which is marred by suppose what so called as culture of poverty. So according to Oscar Lewis, the only solution to the poverty is largely where you change the very cultural ethos of those people who are living in those areas. On the basis of this theory, the United States government started a Head Start program, but this program, which was completely based upon the philosophy or a sociological theory of Oscar Lewis, but this program valiantly failed. fact. And hence, Oscar Lewis theory may give a different approach towards understanding poverty. That why the Tukaram in Nayak movie, despite being allocated a flat, largely did not stay in that flat. Rather, he largely rented that flat. Clearly can be explained by this. Similarly, there is another detailed approach called as situational theory of poverty by Elliot Libo, where he advocated this theory directly came in contradiction to Oscar Lewis understanding of culture of poverty. Situational theory of Elliot Libo advocates that the poverty is the result of situational circumstances. Because the situation of poor are such that they largely are forced to develop certain mindsets which he called as culture of poverty. If the situation changes, their mindsets would also change. Therefore, in order to tackle the poverty, Libo advocates the situation needs to be tackled. The culture of poverty is something which is not existing in societies. Similarly, there are other opinions of Max Weber who advocated that the collective bargaining power, if it is low, it results into low economic standing, resulting into the poverty. The working class largely, since do not have high collective bargaining power, they largely become the victims of poverty. And similar fashion, Gunnar Myrdal in the book Asian Drama highlighted the poverty is largely the result of values. Certain values, इनका statement था poverty is a value problem, value based, that certain people largely have such values which many times forces them to largely remain poor, that they may not have an aspiration to improve their life itself. In your day-to-day life also, you would have come across many people who are not having the values to largely become more mobile. वो संतुष्ट हैं या फिर वो खुश हैं, वो अपने सर्कमस्टांसेस चेंज ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं। वैसे एक और थियरी है जो कंट्री लेवल की पॉवर्टी बताती है, डिपेंडेंसी थियरी, जो आप एजी फ्रैंक, इमैनुअल वेलेस्टीन और रॉल्फ प्रेबिश की राइटिंग्स में देखते हो, वेयर दे एडवोकेटेड दैट इट इज द अनइक्वल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज व्हिच हैव लार्जली रिजल्टेड इनटू द डिपेंडेंसी ऑफ द डेवलपिंग वर्ल्ड ऑन द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, मेकिंग देम the constant victims of the poverty present in the societies. And this integrations, development dependency theory, मैंने social change last chapter से उठाया and I've integrated here. Gunnar Myrdal is not a sociologist. When you largely study from a person who have a multi-dimensional approach, you largely can have a better interconnections. I don't say that I am the best teacher of sociology or as a mentor of sociology, but certainly platform itself as far as the sociology is concerned is not meant for you. Poverty or deprivation की क्या relationships है? We often see that the different forms of deprivations can largely lead to poverty, and at the same time, if there is a economic deprivation that is poverty, then there are other forms of deprivations which largely can take place. For example, Balls and Gintis advocated that it is the class position of the parents which determines the level of education of a child, clearly indicating that if you are largely poor, there are chances that you will become the victims of child labor, and which will largely lead to different other forms of deprivations over a period of time. और दूसरी तरफ दूसरे other forms का deprivations, education का deprivations, employment का deprivations, skills ka deprivations also have a connections with the poverty, as the other forms of deprivations can largely lead to poverty present among you. For example, if you do not have the awareness of the rights, if there is a right deprivation which is being faced by you, there are chances that over a period of time you'll have low collective bargaining power, which will largely push you to the web of poverty. So the deprivation, the poverty in itself is a form of deprivations, but however there are other deprivations which largely can lead to the deprivations reflected in the forms of poverty. We often see कि poverty, deprivation और social exclusion तीनों को एक साथ relate करके भी देखा जा सकता है कि तीनों के बीच में क्या relationship है. If this question ever appears, it will be one of the most complicated question